What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here with a home tip. If you have a thermostat in your home, this one is by White and Rodgers, the Earthday Thermostat. And if you're noticing it's either not working anymore or it says battery, or bat is flashing right there, you basically need to open this cover and replace the batteries. And you might need to do some cleaning inside as well, but let's show you real quick. It's very easy. You just sort of grab it from the top and you'll just pull down on it like this, just sort of firmly pull back on it. Just grab a hold of it up here and just pull down. There's the AA batteries. Now the issue is, not only do the batteries need to be replaced, you might see a good bit of corrosion or acid, that is leaked from the batteries, especially if they've been in a long time or the house is very old or something like that. So, of course, you need to remove them. You might need to use like a plastic pick or something. Because sometimes the batteries are a little difficult to remove. It's hard to get your fingernail back in there. Just pull back on them, though, and they come out. And I noticed on mine there was a good bit of little corrosion on the terminals here, so you might need to get some cleaning. They make like battery cleaner for like car batteries, and you can spray a little bit or maybe put some on with a Q-tip or something and then just wipe it some. If it's really bad on the terminals, you might need to use like a fingernail file or something just to clean these tips off here. Make sure you get all debris and whatnot, so you may need to use a really small shop vac or something just to get all debris out. And once you do that, put them back in, just pop them like that. They go in this direction, like so. Give it a moment and it'll start to light up there. It'll default, to like 85 degrees. So you have to put that there, and then to put the cover on, you just hang it from there and push down firmly. It's in. You might need to do a little reprogramming. Let's find out here. Mine seems to be still the same, but you might need to reprogram yours depending on how dead yours was. And you just start from the first part of programming, set the day, date, time, blah blah blah. There's your different times and temperatures. I won't show you how to do all that, but that's how you get it going if your battery is dead. Very simple. And that's all there is to it. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got more than 1,500 videos of all shapes and sizes, fixing stuff around the house, fixing stuff on cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, Harley Davidsons, Yamaha motocross bikes, lawn mowers, chainsaws, leaf blowers, all kinds of stuff. Computers, eBay stuff, YouTube tips. Just scan through our channel. You'll be surprised at the things you find. And look at our social media links. We also have eBay store, Amazon store. Those links are in the description. Or just Google Horsepower House. We're all over the place. We sell motorcycle related parts and specialty tools on eBay and Amazon for almost 20 years. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.